Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the 8th chapter. Chapter name is Industries. Here given the some questions in figure 8.1. The sequence of two industrial process has been given. Arrange the picture in proper sequence and write the sequential number in the box given below. Name of two industries, the name of the raw material and the finished product of both these industries. How is the raw material converted into finished product? Why it is necessary to convert the raw material into the finished product? Here given the geographical explanation. The process of converting the available raw material into the finishing product done in the factories. The finished product is durable, more useful, and has added value. Industry or manufacturing units provided secondary occupations due to availability of the resource, development of the science and technology, and other favorable conditions. There is the development of industries and boost to industrialization. Industry helps to speeding up the economic development of human, and it is also helps the achievement of the economic development of the countries. Then which factors affecting on the location of the industries? Taking into account of the above factors are different colors, the favorable factors required for the factories and given below the followings. The iron and steel, textile, sugar, each of industry prepare list of these necessary factors, and for each industry gives an example of the location suggested to you. In similar manner, for which other industries can you decide the suitable locations? That means here given the explanation. That means the process converting available raw material into finished product. That means the material which is converted into the raw material to the finishing product is done in the factories. The finishing product durable, more useful, and the added value. That means the product, that means the raw material which is converted into finishing material, and this finishing product durable, more useful, and added the value. Industry and manufacturing unit provide secondary occupations, and this is provided a secondary occupation due to the availability of resource, development of science, technology, and other favorable conditions. There is the development of industries and boost industrialization. Industries helps to speeding up the economical development of the humans. That means there is the development of the industries helps the speeding up the economical development, and that means at that time the developed industries, that time the economical development of the human, and it is also helps to achieving the economic development of the country automatically. Then if any given area of the development industry is dependent on several factors such as the availability of the raw material, water, labors, transport, and capital market, etc. As per the availability of these factors, specific industries developing. Because of the unequal distribution of these factors, industrial development does not take place at the same place at all places. Some region at a suitable for the development of industries, whilst in the other region only particular industries developed. Dense forest and desert area are not conducive in the industrial development. That means here the if you can give an area's development of the industries independent on several factors. That means the industries are dependent on the following factors. Which factors? Availability of raw material, then water, then labors, transport, equal markets as per the availability of these factors. Then specific industries develop these factors which is responsible for the industries, and specific industries developed because of this factor, and unequal distribution of this factor industry developed does not take place. That means unequal distribution of these factors industry cannot be developed at that place. The some regions are suitable for the development of industries, while in the other region only particular industry developed. Dense forest and desert area are not conducive to the industrial development. That means dense means less forest areas and desert areas are not conducive to the industrial development. Here given the chart or given the some questions related to the industries. Here given the localizations and the iron and steel industry. Name of the industry in Jaipur. Here given the then which raw material required for these industries, from which areas the raw material obtained, why the coal used the industries, state the reasons would you feasible to set up the iron and steel industries in your district. Here given the geographical explanation. While looking for the answer of above questions, you must have realized that the localization of the iron and steel industries, the most important factors are the availability of the raw material and energy. Raw material. While looking for the answer of the above questions, answering to the above questions, you must have realized that for the localization of the iron and steel industries, the most important factors are the availability of the raw material and energy, both of which are available around the Jaipur. The raw material in the heavy and bulky and the uneconomical transport to a factory far away. Hence, it is favorable establish these industries in areas where the raw material is available. This is the reason for the establishment of the iron and steel industries at Jaipur. That means while looking for the answer of these questions, you realized that the localization is so important for the iron and steel industries. The most important factors are availability of the raw material and the energy, both are which are the available around the Jaipur. That means this which factors are responsible for the iron and steel industries, availability of the raw material and energy, and this localization are the so important for these industries because the raw material is a heavy and bulky and it is uneconomical transport. It is to factory far away. That means this is the raw material is a very heavy and bulky. Because of this is the transportation of this material is not possible far away. Hence, it is favorable to establish the industry near the raw materials. This is the reason behind it establishment of the iron and steel industries at the Jaipur. Classification of industries as per their nature. Type of industries is small industry, medium industry and heavy industries. In the small industries, making a earthen spot, bakery product are also included in this product. In small industries, the medium industries, fruit processing industries, jaggery market, etc. also included in the medium industries. And heavy industries, the cement, sugar, iron and steel, also these industries are included into heavy industries. You understand the small industry, medium industry and heavy industries. Next is the geographical explanation. All the three pictures above are related to this concept of industries, but the nature of this work is different. These industries, raw material, labor force, capital, land, etc. are the essential factors. As per the nature of the work of industries can be classified. Very often the finishing product from one industry, it is used as a raw material in another industry. For example, sugar produced in the sugar factory used as a sweetener, a raw material in the manufacturing of the products such biscuit, jams and jellies. Similarly, iron rod is used for the raw material in the engineering industries in this manufacturing of the steel furnitures. That means all these picture above are the related to the concept of the industries. That means this following picture related to the industries, but the nature of this work is different. That means these pictures are related to the industries. These industries, here three pictures related to industries. The work of these factories are different. The raw material, labor force, capital, land, are the essential factor for the industries. As per nature of the work, industry can be classified. Very obtained finishing product from the one industry is useful for the raw material of the another industry. That means very obtained finishing product from the one industry is used for the raw material of the another industries. Here given the one of the example, here given the sugar produced in the sugar factory used for the sweetener, raw material in the manufacturing product such as the biscuits, jams, jellies. Similar iron rods are used for the raw material in the engineering industries. It is the manufacturer steel, furniture, etc. Next, agro based industry. India has a predominantly agrarian country. India is a variety of the agricultural product is available. Different type of agro based industries have come up. In addition, these industries processing agricultural product have also developed. These included the dairy industries, food processing, jaggeries making, etc. Industry dependent on the agricultural product have been established everywhere. There has also been development of the heavy industries like textile and the sugar. That means in our India, the predominantly agriculture is the main occupation, and our India is the important agrarian country. In the India's variety of agriculture product is available. That means in our India, the variety of the agricultural product is available. Different type of agro based industries have come up. So additional these industries processing agricultural product have also developed. That means the product which is dependent on the agriculture. This include the dairy industry. That means here given the example of the dairy industries, fruit processing, jaggeries. Here the given the example of the agro based industries. An industry dependent on the agricultural product. That means the industry which is dependent on the agro based industries. Everywhere there has also been a development of heavy industries like a textile and sugar. That means here given the example of the industry like a textile and sugar. Thank you.